wonder when is it a good time to invest in equity mutual funds?
We have faced a lot of such scenarios, but no one asks when should I exit my equity funds? Sadly, this question is asked only when the stock market reaches all-time highs or undergoes a major correction. A wise investor always has an exit strategy for the equity funds. You must have a clear financial goal and the right asset allocation to get the maximum out of your equity funds. Do remember that you cannot time your exit from the equity funds to perfection, but a right exit strategy definitely helps. Hello and welcome. I am Prarthana from Clear, which is India's largest tax and financial services platform. At Clear, we have assisted 6 million tax filers so far. By the way, I have an exciting announcement for new subscribers. We have a free gift for you. We have curated 4 of our best calculators that will help you estimate the future cost of your financial goals as well as identify the lump sum you need to invest to reach those goals. To claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form that is provided in the description box below. An equity fund is a type of mutual fund scheme that invests mainly in stocks. It is suitable for investors who are willing to bear a higher risk for greater returns. There are several types of equity funds and let us understand some of them.
Equity funds may be active or passive funds. In an active fund, the fund manager actively manages the fund and the research team picks the right stocks. A passive fund such as index fund tracks and replicates the portfolio of a stock market index such as the Nifty 50 and the BSE Sensex. Equity linked savings scheme or ELSS is a popular tax saving mutual fund that qualifies for the Section 80C tax deduction. Sector funds invest predominantly in stocks of only one sector and thematic funds invest in stocks tied to an investment theme.
You must choose the appropriate equity fund to attain your financial goals based on your risk tolerance. Moreover, you must stick with your investment for the long term to maximize your returns. Equity funds invest your money in stocks and you must keep a close eye on the stock market to check if it is overvalued. Otherwise, you could miss an excellent chance to book profits in equity funds or worse, suffer losses if the stock market corrects. Let me share an interesting case study which shows you when the stock market is overvalued. You must have heard of the famous American President John F. Kennedy. Well, this is the true story of his father Joe Kennedy, who owned an investment firm in Wall Street, USA. It was the year 1929 and the stock markets were booming in the US. Joe Kennedy was having his shoes polished when the boy who was polishing his shoes gave him some stock tips. Joe immediately realized that if the shoe shine boy was giving stock tips, the US stock market was certainly overvalued. Sure enough, the Wall Street crash followed on October 29, 1929, famously known as the Black Tuesday, starting America's Great Depression of the 1930s. However, Joe had already sold most of his stocks at a profit before the Wall Street crash. Now, if you find many penny stocks rising suddenly, initial public offers or IPOs enjoying massive oversubscription and many growth stories without sufficient proof of earnings, it could be a warning sign that stock markets are overvalued. Well, it is certainly time to book profits by redeeming your equity funds, especially those which have underperformed over time. Well, the answer to this is simple. You invest in equity funds to achieve your long-term financial goals such as buying a house. You must exit your equity funds when you are close to attaining your financial goals. You must exit your equity funds a few years before your financial goals and then transfer the money to safer investments such as liquid mutual funds or bank FDs to preserve the wealth. Now start a systematic transfer plan or STP a few years before the financial goal to systematically transfer a certain number of units from the equity fund to the liquid fund. Suppose you invest in equity funds to buy an apartment. As equity funds have performed well, you have accumulated 80% of the cost of the apartment after 5 years of starting the investment. If the stock market were to correct by 25% in the next year, the value of your investment in equity funds would reduce significantly. You are better off transferring riskier equity investment to a relatively safer liquid fund and protecting your capital so that you don't lose wealth. You can push financial goals such as buying a house or retirement by a few years. However, if you are accumulating money for your children's college education, you must transfer your investment from equity funds to safer liquid funds a few years before the goal. I hope by now you have understood what equity funds are and why you must exit them closer to your financial goals. Don't you want to know more reasons on the right time to exit equity funds? If yes, then please type yes in the comment section below. Financial experts advise you to stick with equity funds for the long term to achieve your financial goals. However, you won't attain your goals if you stick with non-performing equity funds. Well, performing equity funds consistently beat their benchmark and peers over time. If your equity funds have underperformed their benchmark and peers over 3 to 4 consecutive quarters, you should redeem them to avoid further losses. You must check if only your equity fund has underperformed their benchmark or peers have too. For example, most large cap funds underperformed their benchmark, the Nifty 50 and the Sensex. The performance of these stock market indices were driven by a few stocks, whereas large cap funds had diversified portfolio across many large cap stocks. The table on the screen shows the performance of large cap funds versus Nifty 50 TRI. Large cap funds have underperformed the stock market index Nifty 50 TRI for some time. The takeaway is, if your equity fund has underperformed consistently against peers, you can redeem your investment. Equity funds declare their investment objectives and asset allocation to help you attain your financial goals depending on the risk you can bear. However, sometimes equity funds change their investment objective, and if the change does not match your investment objective or risk tolerance, you must exit the equity fund. Equity funds can change their investment objective, resulting in an altered asset allocation and a change in risk levels of the fund. Now, you must exit the fund if you are not comfortable with the risk levels in the fund. For example, SEBI passed guidelines on multi-cap funds in September 2020 to make them true to label. Multi-cap funds used to invest most of their assets in large-cap stocks instead of a diversified portfolio across large, mid, and small-cap stocks. After SEBI guidelines, multi-cap funds had to invest a minimum of 75% of their assets in equity investments, with at least 25% each towards the large cap stocks, mid cap stocks, and small cap stocks. SEBI also introduced the flexi cap category, as some fund houses were reluctant to invest a minimum of 25% each towards small cap and mid cap stocks. Flexi cap funds invest at least 65% in equity investment with no restrictions on market capitalization. Many fund houses rebranded their multi-cap schemes as FlexiCap. As you see from the given case, if you are not comfortable with the new FlexiCap fund, you must exit your investment. Also, the table on the screen right now shows you when to exit equity funds. To conclude, you must redeem equity funds at least 2 to 3 years before your financial goal and transfer money to safer investments. Exit equity funds that deviate from their investment objectives and take undue risks. If you need money in a hurry, exit underperforming and average performing equity funds and not the outperforming ones. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to claim your free gift, wherein we have curated 4 of our best calculators. To claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form that is provided in the description below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video and take care.